This is regards to impeachment. Nag-send na daw po kayo ng notice of pretrial to the parties and na-publish na po yung new rules sa JARIOT regarding the election of a presiding officer. Can you confirm this and can we get updates on the preparations for the trial? And kayo pa rin ba ang presiding officer?
Yes, I signed the notice for pre-trial yesterday. So pinadala na namin yan both to the defense and the prosecution team. And the next step, they will send us their pre-trial brief containing the items in the pre-trial notice. So na-meet ko na rin yung ginawang pre-trial, ginawang impeachment internal team para to make sure that preparations are in order. At tuloy-tuloy yung ating preparations for the impeachment.
Yung pagpe-preside, kayo prepared na rin kayo to preside?
Yes, I'm preparing myself as we go along. So ang importante naman dito ay yung calendar ay may sunod.
So yung publication ng new rule, yung in-approve ninyo last June 3, confirm na rin po yun?
I believe na-publish yesterday sa newspapers.
May umuugong kasi si Senator Cheese daw, yung magpe-preside. May katotohanan po ba dito, sir?
Wala pa namang kami na pag-uusapan na ganun. Ipapag-uusapan pa lang ng grupo yan.
Okay. So po, meron palang possibility ng ganun, sir? Tama ba?
Well, pag-uusapan pa lang, Daniel.